watering your hole for the wild animals. We've actually come here because we actually rescued some trees, some cob nut trees, hazelnut, whatever. 1, 2, where'd I put the third one? I can't remember. And a hawthorn. Plenty of water. Hopefully they'll survive. I did dig up the root as well. Another one. Oh, there he is. Little one. 4. That one there. Okay, so I'll have to come on my bike and water these little monkeys. Collecting nettles. I'm going to put them with some leek.
So look.
Just the tips.
Nettle dips. Take some for soup later, yeah?
Yeah. There you go. Wild nettles and leeks to go with the steak and a high protein pasta salad. So I've got to blanch these, give them some stick. Nettles need to be to get rid of the sting. There we go. Give them a good blanching and we should be good to go. I'll just add a bit of garlic, a bit of salt. We're only blanching a few because we're going to make a nettle soup when we get home. Give that some relic. Rinse that off. Salad I made earlier, so we're going to try a bit of nettle with it and leek, and then make some nettle soup when we get home. Okay, so I'm going to pick a load more of these because actually that was very yummy. These are young, so, and this time I'm going to do it without any. Do you want to try some now or not? Oh, I'll take it out. Okay, we're going to make a soup. But I might try a little bit on their own to see what they do taste like without putting any like salt or garlic on them. Because they did taste nice. A bit of nettle. This is all nettle. Ooh, that's nice, isn't it?
What's it taste of?
A bit of garlic with it.
I know the garlic's sort of taken over, isn't it? And
but it's not stringy.
Leek.
Well, that's really nice. I like that. We'll get a load of them. I see what he means. There's a taste of
exotic
taste. Lovely. Nice.
Oh, tiff taff.
Okay. Top shoots I'm getting. When you get the nettles, they won't hurt you. Doesn't matter.
Just try and get the top. You don't want stems.
No.
So why are you picking nettles, Mark?
Oh right, we're going to make some nettle soup, and we're going to mix it with some wild garlic we got from home. And it's supposed to be absolutely fantastic for you. It's supposed to be a super veg, or whatever you call it. Vitamin C in it.
I don't know, there's something in it, isn't there? Antioxidants, isn't it?
Yeah, so we're going to kind of get quite a bit. I've been told that it's actually quite
nutritious.
And I'll trim some bits off. All you got to do is blanch it. That'll stop any stingy.
Well, 5 minutes I reckon, don't I?
Yeah.
Just be on the safe side.
That's nice young ones here, look. Without the grass. Grass
Going over there?
Yeah, let's go over there and have a look. Nice big bunch over there. Over then.
Obviously you're wearing gloves.
Yeah. You can get them without gloves. I can do it by just sweeping from underneath. You just get them from underneath. It's such a big
Can't if you
bush.
grab them quickly.
Yeah.
There's a thistle there.
What's the point when I got gloves? I'll fill that up yet. Oh, we're not going to go anywhere, are we?
And there's plenty of them.
I don't think anybody's peed on these unless they're really tall people or tall.
There's no dogs around here.
No dogs. There's only rabbits.
Well, no sign of the turnips.
I'll still water them.
Oh, yeah, the roots might be there. I think they've been fried because it's been so hot. Yeah. Phew. Talking about being hot.
A bit lighter for them.
Onions are right though.
Yeah, onions are doing alright.
No sign of potatoes
Some
yet.
of the carrots yet. And parsnips. And put some leeks in that one. Musselberg.
You turn toward me and look so weak. I've never seen you with such tired eyes. And everything we said we'd be, we just traded for a suit coat and a tie. And underneath the rows of trees, I will see you where the ocean meets the sky. Under your toes, the fire grows. You are ready for a different kind of life. You're shining forward, the wind is calling. You must return to the wild. You're shining forward, the wind is calling. You must return to the wild. Follow me down, there's no one around. Lay back and take your socks and shoes right off. That natural light is so damn polite, can make you feel just like you were young again. Standing underneath the rows of trees, I can see where the ocean meets the sky. Under our clothes, a fire grows. We are ready for this life of running wild. We're running wild. Underneath the rows of trees, I will see you where the ocean meets the sky. Under your toes, the fire grows.